Elon Musk's Tesla just came out with a crazy new phone that will change the smartphone market. Surely it's bad news for Apple. But what makes the Tesla Model Python so special? How is it a game changer in the phone industry? Join me today in this video as we look at Tesla's new futuristic phone that is the absolute game changer in the smartphone market. Since the legendary Steve Jobs released Apple's iPhone in 2007, it has dominated the smartphone market. For many people, the iPhone is their preferred smartphone. The numbers speak for themselves. Since the iPhone was released, more than 2.2 billion of them have been sold in a world where 6.6 billion people use smartphones. However, the iPhone's dominance in the smartphone market is coming to an end with the release of Tesla's Model Python. Tesla's cars look good and work well, and they are some of the best-looking electric cars on the market. Antonio De Rosa is a professional who has made interesting designs for Apple devices. He is in charge of making Tesla's smartphones. The Pi phone has the same sleekness and bold, attractive colors. When you hold or look at it, you'll like how smooth it is. Some of the Python's exterior innovations are small, like how it changes color when you hold it up to the sun, and some are big, like how it has a solar panel built into the back. Yes, you heard that right. A solar panel built in. More on that later. The Tesla Pi phone is said to have a 6.9-inch Super AMOLED full touchscreen display with an 8K resolution that lets you see in high quality without lagging. Under the screen is not only the front camera, but also a fingerprint scanner. Several experts in the tech market say that the Tesla Model Pi looks like an iPhone 12. For example, the Tesla Pi phone has a square shape with rounded corners and a silvery color. The back of the phone has 4 camera lenses: a 200-megapixel main lens, a 24-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 16-megapixel sensor, and a 5-megapixel depth sensor that can zoom in up to 200 times. These lenses would take your photography to a whole new level. Whether you're at the beach with your family on a Sunday afternoon or stargazing with your significant other at night, this camera is made for any situation. Unlike most phones, the Tesla camera lenses are in the upper center instead of the corner. This isn't just for looks. It also lets the battery pack be bigger and last longer. Elon Musk would do anything to get away from using charging cables. He did this by putting solar panels on the Tesla Pi phone. Elon Musk, the founder and CEO of Tesla, just said that the Model Pi phone will have crypto mining properties, which is a sure sign of how crazy it is. It will be mining Mars coins, while other cryptos like Bitcoin are hard to mine. A miner uses multiple computers to mine cryptocurrency, so Python's processor is so powerful that it can do work that is usually done by many computers. If you enjoyed the video so far, please subscribe to our channel now and don't forget to press the bell icon. Let's talk about some features of this smartphone. The microprocessor in the iPhone isn't as good as the one in the Model Pi. It's stressful when your phone's battery dies and you can't get to a charging point. You'll soon forget how stressful it is to hear that your phone's battery is low. Thanks to Tesla's new phone has a battery that can hold 7,000 milliamperes, while the iPhone's battery can hold only 5,000 milliamperes. It's not surprising that the Model Pi has a good battery capacity because Tesla has always been working to improve their battery technologies for their many products that use batteries, like the Tesla EVs, the Tesla Home that Tesla bought, and even the Tesla Model Python. When you look more closely at the Tesla phone, you can see that its battery may never run out. This is why this futuristic phone will be able to charge from the sun. It has solar panels on the back that help the phone collect energy from the sun, which is then stored in the 7,000 milliamperes battery. You won't have to worry about a low battery as long as the sun is out. Just putting the crazy phone in the sun is enough to make it work. Tesla already has apps for Android and iPhone that let people control their vehicles with only their cell phones. The app lets users do basic things like lock and unlock their cars, start and stop the engine, control the music, and find their cars. However, the Tesla Python will already have the car control feature built in, so users won't need to download an app to use it. The phone would have cutting-edge technology like Tesla's cars, so you could use it hands-free while driving. Call the car when you're not around, and even drive the car from a Python. Tesla car owners may get more features on the Pi phone, like an AI chauffeur and a robo-taxi, which Elon Musk has teased in the past. Even more amazing is that Tesla's new phone will work with Neuralink technology, which is just a link between the brain and the phone. With Neuralink technology, users of the Model Pi phone will be able to give commands to the phone just by thinking about them. This will be a huge step forward for people with speech disorders. The technology will also let doctors read the brains of people in a coma, since the brain doesn't stop working. It's amazing how much a cell phone will change the future of medical care by 2023. Musk said that the brain chip, which he has said will be able to do anything from cure neurological diseases like Parkinson's to help people communicate through text or voice messages, will be the future of phones and smartwatches. The new Tesla phone, unlike the iPhone, will have Wi-Fi built in. It will also have a satellite connection that is stronger than the current cellular connection. Users of Tesla's new phone will also be able to enjoy a bigger screen. High download speeds of up to 200 megabits per second are made possible by the Starlink satellites that are being sent into space. So far, Elon's SpaceX has sent more than 1,700 Starlink satellites into space, and he has a bigger plan to send 42,000 Starlink satellites into space. Starlink satellite internet service is already in use around the world, including in Alaska, where subscribers pay $99.99 per month to use the service. Starlink is now in Africa, and there are big plans to expand it. For example, a statement says that one of Starlink's big bets is to bring ultra-fast broadband to the African continent by the end of 2022. This will allow expansion to a larger number of people and places, with a focus on rural areas and other places that haven't been served until now. The Tesla phone is great because it is designed to give you the most security and privacy. It has end-to-end encryption, which means that no one can listen in on your calls or chats. Even Tesla can't read your messages because the encryption is so strong. The Tesla Model Pi smartphone has cutting-edge security features that protect your privacy and security while browsing. The phone has built-in encryptions, and it will come with built-in Wi-Fi, which makes it much harder to be hacked when using Wi-Fi. On the other hand, an iPhone can be hacked when using public Wi-Fi, which puts your money, login passwords, and personal information at risk. Tesla expects to sell millions of these top-of-the-line phones. There will be two versions of the Tesla Model Pi, a standard model and a deluxe model. The price for the standard model will be $800 that will come out in the US in early 2023. The starting price for the Tesla Deluxe Model Pi will be between $800 and $1,200, and it is expected to be one of the most popular phones on the market. The announcement of this Tesla payphone will cause a much-needed shakeup in the smartphone industry. Tesla payphone's innovative features could make Apple and Samsung obsolete in the next 10 years. Apple and Samsung have no choice but to pay attention, because I doubt anyone could use a Samsung phone on Mars. The best place to buy a Tesla Model Pi 2023 is at the official Tesla store. Tesla gives you a number of ways to pay, so you can pick the one that works best for you. Tesla also offers free shipping on all orders over $100, so you can have your new phone sent right to your door. Well, when life gives you a chance, buy this Tesla phone without a second thought. If you like this video, check out our other great videos on the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.